If you're just getting started with OneDrive, this video will walk you through the whole process step by step, from opening the app and signing in to uploading files, accessing them online, and sharing them with others. OneDrive is a simple way to keep your files backed up, synced, and available across your devices. So if you've been wondering how to use it for the first time, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to open OneDrive on your Windows computer. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, then type OneDrive into the search bar. When you see Microsoft OneDrive in the results, click it to open the app. If this is your first time using it, OneDrive may take a moment to load and prepare the setup screen. That's completely normal. Once OneDrive opens, the next step is signing in with your Microsoft account. You can use an Outlook email, a Hotmail email, or even a Gmail address connected to your Microsoft account. Enter your email address carefully, then click sign in. After that, type in your password and continue. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the extra verification steps as prompted. This login step is what connects your device to your OneDrive storage and makes syncing possible. After you sign in, OneDrive will guide you through the initial setup screens. Just click next through each prompt. These screens may explain how syncing works or ask you to confirm a few preferences. If OneDrive asks where you want your folder to be located, you can usually keep the default location unless you have a specific reason to change it. The default setup is perfect for most users, especially if you just want to get started quickly and keep everything simple. When the setup finishes, you may see an option that says, "Open my OneDrive folder." Go ahead and click that. This will open the OneDrive folder inside File Explorer, and this is where you'll manage the files you want synced to the cloud. Anything you place inside this folder can be uploaded to OneDrive and accessed from other devices as well. Now let's look at how to start using OneDrive day to day. To upload or store files, press Windows plus E to open File Explorer. Then find the OneDrive folder on the left side or in your folders list. Once you open it, you can copy files into that folder or simply drag and drop them there. As soon as the files are added, OneDrive begins syncing them automatically. You'll usually see a syncing icon while the upload is in progress, and once it's done, the files are safely stored in the cloud. This is one of the biggest advantages of OneDrive. You don't have to manually upload everything every time. Instead, by saving your important documents, photos, or project files inside the OneDrive folder, they stay backed up and available whenever you need them. It's a great way to protect your files in case your computer ever has a problem, and it also makes it easy to continue working on another device later. If you want to access your files online, open your browser and go to OneDrive Web. Sign in with the same Microsoft account, and you'll be able to see your synced files from anywhere. This is especially useful if you're away from your main computer or if you need to quickly grab a file while traveling. The web version makes it easy to view, download, and manage your documents without needing to install anything extra. Another useful feature is sharing. If you want to send a file to someone else, right-click the file inside your OneDrive folder, then click Share. From there, you can copy the sharing link and send it to the person you want. Depending on your settings, you may also be able to choose whether they can edit the file or only view it. This is great for work, school, or personal collaboration because it keeps everything organized in one place. So to recap, getting started with OneDrive is really just a few simple steps. Open the app, sign in with your Microsoft account, finish the setup, start adding files to the OneDrive folder, and then use the web or sharing features whenever you need them. Once you understand the basics, OneDrive becomes a very easy and powerful tool for storage and syncing. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. And if you want, I can also help you with more OneDrive tutorials, like how to sync folders, share files properly, or fix common OneDrive issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.